Hey guys, so Peter here from Inte.Team, and we will talk about this retraceable cables, okay? And you might be asking why. Well, I've got a mess on my desk with bench power supply, and most of the time I don't need huge amperage and I don't need like huge length, yes? So within 1 meter, let's say max, most of the time, and most of the time it's 1 or about 1 to 3, maximum 5 volts, and not many amperes. So I bought this with European plug, and then I can plug it here. I need to check because that looks like about 1 millimeter wire. So I will show you on eBay what I bought, these ones, okay? They came like that, OEM packaging, not some boxed retail. Then in this wrap, and then this product, yes. So why I bought it? Because I want to mount it here, and then I want to just pull, yes, pull and use, and then I'll use few things on it. I've got alligator clips, I've got banana mounts in stock, and I want to use few of them just so that when I need to replace them or use this bit here, yes, I don't have to always look for the cable, because that's annoying. You know, you're trying to do and go through the cables and sometimes you're busy. You just pull, pick adapter you want, attach to the bit, that's you. And if it's a banana plug, it's simple as insert, let go, as you know, yes, insert, let go. And only if I need like use 5 to 10 amps on higher voltage, I can switch to those. Then I've got a reason, yes, good reason to that. But most of the time, the small voltage inject I'm doing, I'm okay with thinner cable. And if I'll decide that actually, you know what, it's bigger and I need something stronger, I can look into replacing this cable, yes, with something bigger. And if no, I can use one for one wire, second for the second. But I was thinking to use one for the power supply, and second for the USB. That's my way of looking, yes? So let's look at AliExpress. So the first thing I bought was those two, which we know, yes? So as you see, I paid $14.24, no promotion, no whatsoever, yes, 82. So with the European plug. Now I don't mind, yes, I really don't mind, because that's not about the plug and that will go off. So we had this American one and then we had this, yes, I think it's American. I don't use it, so now look, now it's cheaper, yes, but it's for one piece, okay? If you'll go for two, that's of course dear, but I checked and there was the same thing. So I paid for one only $5.43, so for two that's even cheaper because there was some small promotion, and it's for $10.32. It will come, yes, it didn't come yet. But then again as well, look, it's now $6.39. Two pieces $6.19, and then you've got coupon of 30. Yeah, same story goes, $6.50, $6.39. And then it's upcoming price. I think I've used on those as well some code when I was ordering. So what it is that you've got 220 volt retraceable camping power reel US and EU compatible 1.6 meter, yes. I don't know if that's robust. Okay, you see those prices vary, but they are about the same. Cheap, it's good, cheap, positive cheap. Yes, I would say it's a great value for the price to tidy up the mess on your desk. I was checking Alibaba as well, and that wasn't, to be true, great at all. So yeah, so that's why I went on AliExpress. It doesn't say how many millimeters it has, the wire. Okay, I will be cutting off this anyway, so we can check it out. But I thought I will share this because many people might be interested in this. Yes, so I will switch to my OBS Studio again, back to the camera, and what I was trying to do is to open this inner bit, which then will show us the, see, that's what it is. Tools by hand, save time, and then if you buy avocados, in Asda, you get trays, recyclable trays. Simple. Covered, 2 pins. I would say it's small but mighty. I like it. I like it. I would love to go to the bottom of it. I'm not Wreck-It Ralph or anything, but my curiosity is, you know, what are they holding? There should be spring, some sort of spring, because it's acting as it would be one. But it's hard. It's hard to be true. I can't go inside. Probably they've made it, you know, not for us to open it, and if I have to 3D print it because I've damaged it, I will need to learn which plastic it is. Is it the one for the super glue? So, or is it the one, you know, super glue you can use to fix your fridge, let's say doors, or the tray, yes, on the door. I've used it to fix our one, and I was positively surprised with baking soda, and it's holding like mad. If I would show you, that's not the prettiest job I've made, so I doubt there would be one person who would like to see it, but it does the job. And I can put our 4-pint milk, yes, the 2 liters milk, even 2 of them, and it's still holding. It's awesome, like baking soda. I don't know how it's called, but I don't have this bicarbonate of soda or something, and so that with super glue, it's awesome. Okay, so we've got a wire. Definitely I could put here a thicker wire. That's what we have inside. So if you want to do it proper with a ground wire, yes, of course, it's not the design, okay? But I still don't see a spring, and it does the job. That's all I need. So even if I would use, I see it, the flat wire will be better here, or if it will be rounded wire, it has to be thick to fit inside the reel, yes? The edges. Oh, and now it gripped, so it's awesome. I want to grip it here again. So again, there is a spring inside. I'm tempted to go further. I'm not saying I'm not, but I'm happy to see where I went. And well, I didn't see that coming. So yeah, I wanted to go further. I paid my price. You know why? I've looked at this and I see that there are I sweated. That scared me. And here those two are transmitting the power. So yes, it has limitations, but it's nice. Now, how long it will take me to wind the spring, the coil? Yes, and I'm fully soaking, like, in the lubricant, some sort of lubricant. Guys, I think I need to let it go just 10 minutes and to wind it. Now I'm curious if I can wind it. Well, of course I can wind it. Come on, it didn't break. Yes, I just made a mess. That's all I did. And scared myself to death almost. But clearly, yes, clearly we can do something about it. So watch out. Don't open devices. Yes, you're not jerry-rig everything. But we do check things. When I buy stuff, I want to know if I would buy more. And by the design now, I know for low, like it's robust enough for what I need. Okay, that's what I was trying to say here. So would I buy more? I bought 4. Yes. So for this desk here, I've got enough, and I'm happy that I bought those 2 extra. Based on the build, yes, how it's built. Okay, I should talk less and do more because my ADD doesn't allow me to focus, but you know, we're getting there. We're getting there, and it will be challenging for me to close it, but I can see that it's going well. So if you want to skip, you've got time now to do it. I have to struggle. Okay, that was stupid, I admit it, yes. I just wanted to see what's on the other side. To stupidity and beyond. But that was a perfect storm. Okay, so nearly there. A few more wines and you know we'll be home. But how I will now grab to that. Ugh. Okay, I see my problem in my thinking, and I don't know if I can just do it easily without letting go the spring again, because I know that this thingy need to go onto that one, that part. I think I'll need a third hand here. Guys, if anybody is willing to comment if they experience something like that, that would be something. Hopefully I'm just that stupid to, you know, to do it. I still got second one to open. No, I won't. If I'll open, I will open the way originally I've opened it. Yes, I won't be going nuts with it. What I'm trying to say is I didn't look here, and there is this which goes somewhere. Here is a lock. Okay, so this has to go somewhere inside. Where? Now, should I open second to learn how to, you know, do it? Or should I just close it like that and pray? Well, I don't pray, but you know what I mean. That it will be enough. Because there is this gap here, which I do believe that if I will insert into this place, then I can save myself a hassle, because that's looking like it. Well, there's only one way to find out. It doesn't go up. It wanna stay. But I know if I let go too early, it will... Yeah. Where is this? First attempt, I doubt I can do it in first attempt, guys. By all means, I want to do it in first attempt. I'm just saying that I doubt I can do it. Of course I count, not that great. So yeah, I will disconnect because I need to, first foremost, my hands are all sticky, so I will just close it. If I'll record shortly second video, I'll tell you if I close it down and if it's working, yes, but you would have to then look for the next video. Guys, I'm switching off. Thank you for watching. As always, I will leave my about 10 songs on YouTube, additional YouTube channel, which I've created with AI. If you want to listen, that's part of our membership. So those about 10 songs are over there among over 50 at the moment other songs. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.